Southern Hales ar tafliad. Piniad awdurdodol gan Rhys Roberts yn ddisgyn i Mamadou Touré. Touré yn edrych am yr hediad gan Jonathan Hood. Cyfle i Hood yn taro'r postyn. Mae allan o Touré! Ac yna'r cliriad y peniad amddiffynol gan Mar. Ond yr ergyd, wel yn curo Ramsey yn racs. Ond yn tarannu'n ôl oddi ar y postyn.
Yes, kiddo, yes, go, let's go.
Craig. Roberts, pas lac. A mae'n gyfle fan hyn i Touré. Mamadou Touré nôl at Hood. Jonathan Hood! Ramsey ar bediad campus. Mae dal yn ei Touré yn disgyn. Dim trosedd yn dyn wir! Mae'r dyfarnwr Mr Owen, wel mi ystyriodd o. Touré yn disgyn yn y cwrt. A Mr Owen yn dyfarnu. Ti'n gico'r sfotin i'r Barri. Kane McLagan yn camu fyny. Ramsey ni herbyti. Mae'n disgyn i Touré. Arbediad rhagorol unwaith eto gan Ramsey. Mae dal yna! O, McLagan mor agos. Arbediad rhagorol, arbediad dwbl rhagorol gan Alex Ramsey. O'r gic o'r smotin gan Kane McLagan. Ac yna, yr ergyd gan Mamadou Touré. Roberts ar piniad ymlaen gan Edwards. Breeze i fewn amdani. Jamie Breeze i'r rhwyd ochr. Jamie Breeze yn agos i roi'r blaenoriaeth i'r tîm cartra. Ramsey. A ddigwydd Watkins. Bradley! O, mi fydda honna wedi bod yn gôl gofiadwy Sean Bradley. Ergyd ar y cynnig cynta'n fflachio heibio'r postyn. Lewis. Ar geit gôl. Touré yn dal i dir. Jones yn gryf yn y gyfle fan hyn i'r ymwelwyr. Hood! O, ddyle bod oedd i gosod ti yn y gornel. Jonathan Hood. Touré. Eisiau canfod yr eilydd ffrai. Touré yn mynd gry. Touré. Ymlaen a Jones. Jones yn cael ei lorio'n ddigyfaddawd gan Clive Williams. Eisiau wedi gweld y cerdyn melyn. Felly cerdyn coch i Clive Williams a Caernarfon i lawr i 10 dyn am y 12 munud ola. Cooper edrych am Jones fan y cyfle fan hyn i Jones yr eilydd. Jones. Hyw hefo fo. Jones yn troi ar ymwyl cwrs o gyfle yr ergyd. O, na chi gol! O, na chi gol ragorol gan yr eilydd Marcus Jones. O, mi drodd yr amddiffyn a'i gosod ti'n gelfyn i'r gornel betha. Dim gobaith i Alex Ramsey. Fahia, os da ail i fod i'r Barri. Fahia at ffrai. Mae yna le gan Touré. Mamadou Touré. Touré i'w selio hi. Touré! Arbediad gwych gan Alex Ramsey i rwystro Mamadou Touré.
In the first half, we've created 3 or 4 really good opportunities where we should be going in, you know, particularly from the penalty and things like that, but we didn't. And I think then you've got to show my, my lads a little bit of respect to the fact that they kept going. Second half, I thought Caernarfon for the first sort of 25-30 minutes were the better team. And then after that, we sort of grew further into the game and still carried a little bit of a threat. And delighted for Marcus to get his goal. It's his first goal in the Welsh Prem, and what a way to do it.
Frustrated, disappointed?
Yeah, both. Both. It's deflating. I think we've been marginally probably the better side second half, in fairness. I think we started the game really well, but then Barri came into it. They're a good side. I've got a lot of time and respect there for Gavin. He's got some good technical players. Obviously Rambo in net has made a fantastic double save from the penalty. They should have gone 1-up really there, to be honest, and I think 5 minutes before they've hit the post. We addressed a couple of things at half time. And we were better. We were far better. We asked a lot of questions. Obviously the sending off happened. It was a little bit of rejigging about, and it's probably just deflated us and knocked the wind out of our sails, in fairness. But just devastated. I think there was about 5 or 6 minutes left, and despite them sort of going 1-0 up, if the same situation happened down at Barri, we'd do exactly the same if we had the man advantage. They've just seen the game out, and credit to Barri, they got the victory.